Hi everyone, today we are going to learn about that changes around us for class 6 students. We know that so many changes around us, some common changes, some changes in objects, some reversible, some are irreversible, then physical and chemical changes occur. We know that day change into night, night change into again day. We can do that. So many objects around us, so many changes around us. Okay. Now today we are going to see about that changes around us. Now what you can see that what is a change? We know that what is a change? We can change it to another object. When taken that ice melts into water, that we can say that solid turns to liquid. The same as well as the water, we can heat, that means the water change into water vapor. That also one kind of change. Then the egg, you can boil the egg, that also one kind of change. Then the iron rusting, that also one kind of change. So many changes around us, even that volcanic eruption, day to night, night to day, then earthquake, that are all changes. Okay. Next, today we are going to see about that some common changes, physical and chemical changes. Some are slow and fast changes, some are periodic and non-periodic changes. What is the periodic, non-periodic? Periodic, no, regular intervals. We know that day, night, day 12 hours, night 12 hours, like that. Even that moon also occur in night only. In daytime, during the daytime, sun is in that sky, like this, that is called periodic changes. Non-periodic changes means what is the meaning of that? No, it is not occur in that regular interval. Suddenly we can occur, that one we can call as that natural disasters like volcanic eruption, earthquake, like that. Okay children, so about that only we should learn in this lesson. Next we are going to see about that slow changes. First we can able to see that slow changes. What is slow changes? The changes occur, the time will be take slowly, the changes will take slowly. The boy grown up, when he grow up small kid, no, the it will grown as a boy, then finally it will go adult, finally you can reach that man. Okay, that will slowly changes occur in that. See that in the figure. So boy, then go to that man, small child, then you can say boy, then a little bit bigger. These changes we can occur slowly. It will happen over a period of slowly. The same as well as tree also, the same as well as we can put the seed, means no, it will not grow as a next day, it will not grow as a tree, it will grow as a small plant, then it grows a big plant, then grow finally only it will reach the tree. Okay, that also slow changes only. Then next one, what is that? No, fast changes. We can cook that. Idli, dosa, like that, we can make that batter. Batter means the maavu. Okay, what happen means no, we can put that, we can within 2 minutes it will cook that. That we can call as fast changes. The time will take quickly. The change will take quickly. That we can give an example. See that the batter, for instance, a batter turning into pudding. It will take hardly a few minutes only. We know that children. Idli, நம்ம வீட்லயே வந்து அம்மா குக் பண்ணும்போது பாத்தீங்கன்னா இட்லி தோசைலாம் within a few minutes she will cook that. Okay, that change we can call as fast changes. The time will occur in within a few minutes. That changes we can call as fast changes. Next we can go to the periodic changes. Already I told that no, it will take that regular intervals. That kind of changes we can call as periodic changes. Changes which repeat themselves are called periodic changes. You know that no? Day, night and phases of moon also, they given in the picture. See that moon phases, that also occur. Then same as well as beating of heart, that also occur in that periodic changes. For the regular only it will happen. Then next one, clock striking again, that also called as periodic changes. Okay, so that regular interval, the changes occur repeatedly themselves, that we can call as periodic changes. The next one, non-periodic changes. It will not occur in that regular intervals of time. Okay, எப்போ வேணா நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அதுதான் வந்து நான் பீரியாடிக் சேஞ்சஸ். எப்போ வேணா எது வேணா நடக்கும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, அதுதான் நான் பீரியாடிக் சேஞ்சஸ். லைக் எரப்ஷன், volcanic eruption, earthquake, forest fire, காட்டு தீ, அதெல்லாம் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எப்போ வேணா நடக்கும். ஈவன் nowadays we are getting floods, rainy season, we are in rainy season, we are getting flood quickly occasionally, like that, no, that we can call as non-periodic changes. So changes which do not occur regular intervals at time, that are called non-periodic changes. Then next one, important one thing, what is that? No, reversible and irreversible. What is the meaning of that reversible and irreversible? Reverse nal enna solra, nama reverse varudhana enna solluvom, back la varudhu appdin reverse nu solluvom illaya. So the product change to again come back, that we can call as reversible. Example, what is the given means no, the ice gets melted. Okay, then water change into ice, that we can call as reversible. The same as well as chocolate. Chocolate also, dairy milk, number 5-star la vaangumbodhu it gets melted. Again we can keep it in that freezer means no, again it can change into solid. So what kind of changes? These two are called that reversible changes. But here the egg boiled egg. What kind of change? We can get that back into that egg. Raw egg திருப்பி கிடைக்குமானா கண்டிப்பா கிடைக்காது. So that kind of change we can call as irreversible change. This example, the wood gets fired, it change into that another product. Wood வந்து fire ஆயிடுச்சு, நெருப்பா மாறும்போது what happened? No, that we cannot get back again the wood. So what kind of change here occur means no, irreversible change. The same as well as iron. Okay, nail, iron nail gets rusted. Rust means what is the meaning of the children? துருப்பிடிக்கிறது. ஓகே, அதுதான் வந்து ரஸ்டிங் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. இப்போ துருப்பிடிச்ச ஆணி வந்து திருப்பி வந்து மறுபடியும் பழைய ஆணியா மாறும்னா மாறாது கண்டிப்பா. Okay, so what kind of changes that one? Irreversible. Then the candle, I can burn the candle gets melted. The candle burned, we cannot get back again. So that also called as irreversible changes. These are the examples for that reversible and irreversible changes. Then next one, what is the meaning of the reversible and irreversible changes, children? Changes are very random and uncertain phenomena that we can call as, then changes can be for the worse. We can mention that so many examples that see that reversible. Melting of ice. Melting of ice means what kind of change that one? Reversible. Again we can get back into ice, that is called reversible. But cooking of food, that is not reversible, that is irreversible. திருப்பி மறுபடியும் வந்து கிடைக்காது. It will not recovered again, come back into original substance, that we can call as irreversible changes. What is the reversible and irreversible? Reversible means no, we can get back that original substance. We can get back the original substance means no, that is reversible. Irreversible means no, we cannot get back again. திருப்பி ஒரு original substance வந்து கிடைக்கவே கிடைக்காது, திருப்பி மாறாது. ஓகே, ஒன்ஸ் வந்து மாறிடுச்சுன்னா, இப்போ நம்ம ரைஸ் வந்து குக் பண்ணுறோம், அரிசி வந்து குக் பண்ணும்போது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சாதமாக மாறிடுது, திருப்பி சாதம் வந்து அரிசியாக மாறினா கண்டிப்பாக மாறாது. ஸோ தட் we can call as irreversible changes. Reversible means what is the meaning of that, children? Ice melts into water, that water we can eat, that means no, it change into water vapor. So that we can call as reversible. I can take example, see that. So the changes can be reversed. திருப்பி மறுபடியும் மாறும், temporary conversion. ஓகே, டெம்பரவரியா மாறுது அப்படின்றது தான் ரிவர்சிபிள். திருப்பி நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா வாட்டர் சேஞ்ச் இன்டு அகைன் இன்டு ஐஸ். ஸோ வாட் ஆர் த எக்ஸாம்பிள் ஃபார் தி கிவன்? see that ice getting melts into water. So what in that? Ice change into water, that I can eat that water change into stream. What kind of changes this here means no? Reversible changes. Melting, the water, ice gets melted. ஐஸ் வந்து என்ன வருதுன்னா உருகி நம்மளுக்கு தண்ணியா மாறுது, அதுதான் மெல்டிங் ப்ராசஸ் சொல்லுவாங்க. Then again this water I heated, that one means no, it change into water vapor. Water vapor again, other name what is that? No, steam. Steam ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. What is name of this process? We can call as evaporating. So melting and evaporating, both the process are reversible changes. Okay, ஐஸ் வந்து மெல்ட் ஆயிட்டு வாட்டரா மாறுது, வாட்டர் நம்ம ஹீட் பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும், உனக்கு வாட்டர் வேப்பரா மாறுது. அதுதான் வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா reversible changes. Example, that states only changes. Solid change to liquid, liquid change into gas. Okay, what is the solid form of water? Ice. What is the liquid form of water? That is called water, we can drink that, no. Then what is the gaseous form of water? That is called steam, or otherwise we can call as water vapor. So we can see that some physical changes occur. Okay, what does that mean? So first one, what is the no? Melting. Change of solid change into liquid by heating. நம்ம solid ice வந்து heat பண்ணும்போது என்ன மாறும், உனக்கு வாட்டரா மாறும் நம்மளுக்கு. Okay, that process we can call as melting. So solid change into liquid, that process we can call as melting while heating. Heat பண்ணும்போது என்ன ஆகும் உனக்கு, even that we can take that ice cube in your hand means no, palm of the hand means what happened means no, suddenly it gets melted because of our body heat, temperature of our body. Okay, நம்ம body temperature என்ன ஆகும் உனக்கு, it gets melted. Even the room temperature also it gets melted. That process we can, so what is the meaning of that? No, the changing of solid into liquid, that process we can call as melting. So here what happened means no, the ice I can heat that means no, it change into water. So solid into liquid, that we can call as melting. The next one is what is that? No, freezing. Freezing means what is that? No, it is reverse for that melting. Melting ku reverse அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க, opposite அப்படினு சொல்லுவாங்க. The changing of liquid into solid by cooling. கூல் பண்ணுவது. வாட்டர் நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? I can kept in the freezer. தண்ணி வாட்டர்ல ஊத்திட்டு நம்ம என்ன பண்றோம்? ஃப்ரீசர்ல வைக்கும்போது என்ன ஆகும்க்கு it change to ice cubes ஆ மாறிடுமா இல்லையா கண்ணா? So what is that? No, that process we can call as freezing. So the changing of liquid state ல என்ன மாறுது உங்களுக்கு? Solid state ஆ மாறுது. That process we can call as freezing or cooling. Okay, by cooling itself what it will happen means no, the liquid states change into solid state. The ice water change into ice, that we can call as freezing. What kind of change is also? Physical change. We can get back again. Ice திருப்பி என்ன மாறிடும் உங்களுக்கு? வாட்டரா மாறிடும். அது அப்போ physical change அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லுவாங்க. The next one what is it? No, evaporation. Evaporation means what is it? No, evaporation. I can eat that water. What happen means no, தண்ணி நல்லா சூடு பட வேணா நமக்கு வேலை ஆவி வரும் இல்லையா, water vapor மாறிடும். Water gets water vapor change into water vapor while I am eating. Heat பண்ணும்போது என்ன மாறும் உங்களுக்கு? Liquid வந்து என்ன மாறுது உங்களுக்கு? Gas ஆ மாறுது. Gas means here water vapor. What kind of process this one called? Evaporation. So here they given that water gets evaporate while change into water vapor. What kind of process this is called? Evaporation. So changing of liquid into gas by eating, that is called evaporation. Then next one, condensation. Condensation is this opposite reaction to that evaporation. Evaporation la namakku water வந்து water vapor ஆ மாறுது. இங்க வந்து water vapor என்ன மாறுதுனா water ஆ மாறுது. That we can call as condensation, the change of gas into liquid by cooling. I can put that vessel in that stove. What happen? No, the water gets boiled. I can pour some water in that vessel. The water gets boiled. What happened? Suddenly I can close with that one plate, lid with that. What happened? After that few seconds, I can open that lid. In that back of the lid, what happened? Some water droplets present there. Where it comes from? That the water vapor, the water gets evaporated. No, the water gets heated. No, the water vapor go and condense in that lid. It will come again water. That process we can call as condensation, the change of gas into liquid by cooling. That process we can call as condensation. Okay, so here what happened? No, this is opposite to the evaporation. Water vapor enna marudna water ah marudhu namakku, gas வந்து என்ன மாறுதுனா liquid ஆ மாறுது. Okay, then next one, physical changes. What is physical changes here? What is mean? No, changes occur in size, shape, then color, that we can call as physical changes. எதல மட்டும் change ஆகணும்? கலர்ல, சைஸ்ல, ஷேப்ல சேஞ்ச் ஆச்சுன்னா அந்த சேஞ்சஸ் நாம என்ன சொல்லணும்? physical changes அப்படினு சொல்லிட்டு சொல்லுவாங்க. Here they given example for the shape, size. See that we can cut that. பேப்பரை கட் பண்றோம். பேப்பரை கட் பண்ணும்போது பாத்தீங்கன்னா we can make the shape only changes. Okay, then we can crumpling the flour. சப்பாத்தி மாவு பேசுவே இல்லையா? crumpling. That also it will change that occur. Okay, as shape and size also occur. I can make a chapati, I can roll it means no. I can make a ball and roll it in that wooden roller. So that also crumpling. Then grinding, even that we can make a grind. மாவு அரைக்கிறோம், flour, rice change to rice flour. Here they grinding that iron. Then bending, iron pipe bend பண்ணும்போது only the shape only change. So these are all called what kind of changes means no? Physical changes. A substance which will change only in shape, size, color மட்டும் change ஆச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு பேரு. Even that state also, now we can study no, water change into water vapor change into water, ice into water, then water into ice, that are all called as physical changes. Okay, so now next one, irreversible. This are all, before that physical changes are reversible irukkalam, irreversible irukum. Now irreversible changes. Irreversible na once வந்து வேற ஒரு substance ஆ மாறிட்டா திருப்பியும் it not come back again, it not come to that original substance ஆ மாறாது, அதுதான் irreversible. Okay, once change ஆயிடுச்சா மாறவே மாறாது. I can give an example here, the cake, baking into that, baking of cake. Okay, once cook பண்ணிட்டா அந்த food திருப்பி மாத்த முடியாது. Then metal rusting, iron gets rusted, இரும்பு துருப்பிடிச்சு, திருப்பி என்ன மாறும்னா இரும மாறும்னா கரெக்டா பழைய இரும மாறும்னா கண்டிப்பா மாறாது. Okay, that kind of we can call as that metal rusting. Here I can make into that egg வந்து நம்ம ஆம்லெட்டா போடும்போது என்ன நமக்கு it cooked no, so what kind of change that also cannot get. Frying an egg also example for irreversible changes. Irreversible changes க்கு இன்னொரு நேம் என்ன சொல்றோம்னா chemical changes. It not come back into that original position, வேற ஒரு substance மாறிடும், new it changed to new substance. That kind of change we can call as irreversible changes, or otherwise we can call as chemical changes. Then here they given another example, paper burn பண்ணும்போது ash and smoke கிடைக்கும். ஓகே, பேப்பர் வந்து சாம்பலா மாறிடும், அது வந்து பாத்தீங்கன்னா irreversible change to new substance. Then mixing of cement mix பண்ணி நம்ம வந்து we can fix in that wall means no, that also call that not come back again that cement நம்ம திரும்பி மறுபடியும் கிடைக்கனா கண்டிப்பா கிடைக்காது. So what kind of change these are called irreversible change. So irreversible change is a permanent change, we cannot be undone. Okay, திருப்பி come back, it will not come back again, it will not come back to the original substance, that we can call as irreversible changes. Then thank you children.